Watch your ninja tear up dancer. I'll Puff Daddy. Surprise how the man bad. Watch this.
You want you when I want to sing? You want you when I want to sing? Hear me? Call me token, prison body, anything you want. Token, I road chance, every charter. Them astonished. I mean, I don't have a gun when they're Spanish. Oh, we never do gun when they're Spanish. One people that have to come they made a vanish.
Ninja man say have a new gun which is Spanish. Yo, me no want to see the gun there. Keep the gun there for this son. Yo, Ninja man know how to hold the crowd. Watch the video.
Where they get me from the cat and me. Papa where they get me from the cat and me. But you know mama where they get me from the cat and me. Papa where they get me from the cat and me. Say another me. No me not suck no pussy. Say another me. No me not fuck nobody. Me not put me mouth and down. No lady say another me. Not by no girl put on it because all them a talk man a to them no. This a no science. It's a turn back blow me tell you no. All them a talk man a to them no. This a no science. Me want you listen, me ladies are not gentlemen. This year a 90, then come 91. They're gonna be a warning, a youth man. Who me born in a soft pussy man. And the man them we fucking bad. And the woman when you man the man. But the soon start fuck back man. Pussy a suck back, suck pussy man. Suck out the teeth and ungle left one. In my mouth a pay corruption. Make me see all article done. When you say them now, hold on.
Yo, to Ninja bad. People are faint. People are getting a spirit. Is that Ninja or Michael Jackson? More of Ninja talking to Tommy Lee about the youths and the influence of music and how to use music to be positive in a society. Watch this.
You have a responsibility to guide the younger generation to the right destination. And if you lead them in the wrong way and make them have the wrong concept, then we turn generation as vipers even pan you CM1. When me come and mobile, you a little baby. You understand? See you come here now and make kind of one officer attack. Me not even know say I'm mobile come from. Me about family, me I wonder where he come from. You understand? And when me go here, I'm my best friend son. You understand? So right now, you hold up your thing a shot, come me watch you. And the thing is that again, I want you belly up then tune there. Cause me I watch your work day and night. Every advice you have to get right now. Cause some I teach you them now, you know. You sang them, stop doing song them where them a catch the front and rear. You see you tune them, I want you start put some lyrics in the belly of your tune them that when people hear them a hear lyrics. Yeah?
Yo, put some belly in your tune them. What a piece of advice. Yo, watch Ninja drop a gem. When Ninja talk, you listen. Ninja said then we sell it out for sweetie. Watch this.
Hold on, no problem. That is straight round the neck. I'm in Darlington. Somebody shout out here. Help me man out here. So slow. Petit, petit. Nobody my petit, petit, petit. Petit, they will sing your be sweetie. Petit, petit. Nobody my petit, petit, petit. Petit, they will tell you, oh, them are my friend and me treat them like a family. I say give the youth some.
Yo, Ninja man, body FUCK. Watch how Ninja man vex when a theme time for DJ or sister come from nowhere and grab a mic from him and start DJ. Watch Ninja face.
We're still in the group, then we have to take up the crime and violence and I kill up them when they get up. That song, yeah, a phone song. Every time you hear another gun pop, and next you drop, I mean not like that. Every time you hear a next gun pop, I mean not like that. Take it up, hold on. Hey, send me. Check it out. Yo, send best you'd be business minded. Call Babylon them too bad minded. Send best youth them blessed and appointed. From your mama push you out till you do your 90. Why you touch your bird now redemption so kindly. You don't move so blindly. She's like a little calm and I remind them. Mr. Wanna know. Every time you hear a next gun pop, I get to you drop. Yeah, I mean no lie now. Every time you hear a next gun, you can't say what me I say now. My time, man. Well, I've never bust a chain and me never pick a pocket. Never see a old man bag and try grab it. Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. Why not in here, Ninja?
Ninja man never like that at all. Ninja man. Hope you guys enjoyed that piece of video. Stay blessed, stay safe.